Welcome to Mr. Rispin's Planning 10 videos. Today we're going to take a look at the Career Research Project, where to get your information and what to do with it once you've collected it. So we will jump right into it. We will first go to Edmodo. Everybody should have an Edmodo account. We're going to log in. Once we are in, I'm just going to scroll down to where the quizzes are. All of you should have taken these quizzes. So we have the Type Focus quiz, we have the career quizzes, and all those quizzes should have been done. What we're going to do now is go into these websites and harvest the information, take out the information that we need. So I'm going to pull up actually both websites at the same time in a split window so you can see. This is the Type Focus one. We're going to hop in there first and foremost. Just need to log in, and it's WVS4455 is the site password if you've forgotten. Log in, and this is the window that you should have. If we click on self-awareness, we get this window, and as we did in class, I want you to check off 5 boxes: the personality strengths results, for Canada information, values, and interests. Then you hit print report. Once that report comes up, I'm just going to have you come down to part 2, your personality type description, and I want you to highlight the career description or general description and the careers. We're going to copy that. And what I need you to do is pop that into a document. I've already created one here and it's ready to go. So I'm just going to paste that information under Type Focus because that's the website we're working out of right now. Go back. And we need another bit of information. The next set of information is the careers that fit your strengths. We're going to highlight that. I'm going to copy it. And then I'm just going to drop that into that document. Finally, the last bunch of information we're going to take from Type Focus is our values. Now the values, everybody has a different set of values. I have 8 critically important values and I want to take those. I know some of you only have 1 or 2 critically important values, but I would like you to have at least 8 or 10 values in this section. So if you only have 1 or 2 critically important values, copy those, but also take another 8 of the important values. And we're going to copy that. And we are going to paste that in. So Type Focus, we have part 2, your personality type description, careers that fit your strengths, and then your values. That's all we need Type Focus for. So now we have to jump to the federal government or the job bank window. So I'm going to open that up and I'm going to log in because all of you have accounts and all of you have done the quizzes on this already. Once we've logged in, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and go to Create Edit Quizzes. Open that up. And you will get a window with the quizzes that you've completed. The first set of quizzes we want are the ability quizzes. We're going to open that up, scroll down, take the top 3 abilities, copy it, and then we're going to put it in underneath the heading Career Quizzes. I'm going to go back to that same website. And we're going to go back to Career Quizzes. And we're going to scroll down. And we're going to go to the Work Preferences quizzes. Go see Results. Highlight the information. Copy. And we're going to paste that information in as well. Now, the final quiz we're going to harvest information from is the Values quiz, another set of values. So Work Values quiz. So we're going to go there. And we are going to take your important values. And we are going to stop there. Just the important values. We're not going to take somewhat important values. Just the important ones. And we're going to paste that into the document. So now we've harvested all the information from the quizzes. What I need you to do now is we're going to go back to the career quizzes, and we're going to go to Career Navigator, get back to the start page, and you'll see on that page occupations that match results from all quizzes combined. So after taking all these quizzes, this web page or website compiles all the information and starts pulling up careers which suit your personality, your skills, and your preferences. As you can see, my skills and preferences and values have brought up circus performers and magicians and illusionists. Very similar to being a high school teacher, but a little bit different. But we're going to go in there and take a look and see what it says. Now, what I want you to do from these selections, I want you to take the title, the NOC code, which is important, and the description of that particular profession. Again, we go back to the Word document, and I'm just going to type in a heading here. So professions that fit my profile, and I'm going to paste that one in. Okay. Now I'm also going to go back, and I want you to have 3. So I've taken circus performers, and we have to go find some more. If we go to see more occupations, you get a huge list. It's as if there's every single career on the face of the earth has been put in here. So what I would suggest to you, to make things simple, undoubtedly you have some things rattling around in your head that you might want to be at some point in your lifetime. There's a simple way to start finding these things. So if you go to your tools bar in your browser and just go to find, all browsers have this, find, type in a keyword. So I want to be a teacher, and I'm going to type in that keyword, and there's 8 keywords of teacher in this page, and I can go and see what they link to. I don't want to be an acting teacher, as you can see the first one here. Instructors and teachers of persons with disabilities. No, that doesn't really turn my crank, but if we look here, I see secondary school teachers, and that just might be one of the things I want to be. So I'm going to highlight that, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to paste that into the document like I did with the other one. Finally, I should probably find a career that will make my parents proud. So let's go back to Career Navigator and see the list here. And I think my parents would be really pleased if I decide to be a hairstylist. So I am going to take hairstylist. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste that into the document. So now I have all the information I need for the career research project. The next part will be in the next video, and you will find out what it is you need to do with this information. Thanks for watching.